Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic headlight bulb. First, gather your tools and a new bulb. You'll need gloves, a trim tool, and the correct bulb type, such as an H11 for low beam or 9005 for high beam. Always make sure your car is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely before you begin. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare fingers. Now let's get to the bulb. Pop open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector plugged into the bulb. Gently press the small release tab on this connector. Once pressed, carefully pull the connector straight off the bulb. This might require a slight wiggle, but avoid pulling on the wires themselves. With the connector removed, it's time to take out the old bulb. Grasp the base of the bulb and turn it counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn until it feels loose. Then, gently pull the bulb straight out of the headlight assembly. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and insert it into the housing. Turn it clockwise until you feel it click firmly into place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical plug to the back of your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced your bulb. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, close your hood and enjoy your bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.